Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the transmission support on your Troy-Bilt lawnmower, you will need a 9/16" socket, a 3/8" socket, and needle nose pliers. Before you begin the procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. We also recommend there be little or no fuel in the tank. For safety, detach the ignition coil wire from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Now tip the lawnmower back and use a weight to hold the handle assembly down. Using the 9/16" socket, unthread the nuts securing the two front wheels. Remove the wheels. Slide off the two drive gears, along with the wheel guards. Now use the 3/8" socket to unthread the 7 lower screws, securing the front transmission cover. Next, unthread the 2 upper screws securing the cover. Pull the wheel adjustment lever outward so you can fully detach the cover. Remove the 2 drive shaft bearings. You can now slide the front axle assembly off. Use the needle nose pliers to depress the tab to release the transmission spring insert from the support. Next, detach the end of the drive control cable from the support. Now use the 3/8" socket to unthread the 5 lower mounting screws, securing the transmission support to the deck. With the screws removed, you can slide the old transmission support off. To install the new transmission support, align the support on the deck tabs until it is seated flush against the deck. Then replace the mounting screws to secure. Reposition the transmission and snap the spring insert into the new support. Attach the drive control cable to the support. Align the front axle assembly on the transmission support. Slide the 2 drive shaft bearings onto the axle and fully insert them into the axle plates. Make sure the bearings are positioned in the notches in the support. Hold the axle assembly in place as you reposition the front transmission cover by first inserting the tab under the belt slot in the deck. Make sure the drive cable is positioned in the notch in the cover. Pull the wheel adjustment lever outward to properly align the front of the cover. Replace the 9 screws to secure the cover, starting with the lower middle screw. Reposition the wheel guards, followed by the 2 drive gears. Align the 2 front wheels and thread the nuts to secure them. Remove the weight and return the lawnmower to its upright position. Reattach the ignition coil wire to the spark plug. Refill the fuel tank if necessary, and your lawnmower should be ready for use.